Turkey's technology and defense sectors are once again in the spotlight. TEKNOFEST Blue Homeland, TEKNOFEST Mavi Vatan, 2026 officially opened its doors at the Gölcük Naval Shipyard Command in Gölcük, Kocaeli on August 20th, 2026. Running until August 23rd, the festival showcases a blend of maritime technology, underwater systems, warships, unmanned vehicles, and defense technologies, alongside various projects developed by Turkey's younger generation. The opening of this year's TEKNOFEST Blue Homeland holds significant importance, as Gölcük is a key hub of Turkish maritime power. Unlike technology festivals typically associated with aircraft and aerial vehicles, the Mavi Vatan edition specifically directs public attention toward the sea and the underwater realm. This concept aligns with the vision of the National Technology Initiative, Milli Teknoloji Hamlesi, which aims to expand Turkey's national technological capabilities beyond the aerospace sector to include maritime fields, warships, underwater systems, sensors, weaponry, and unmanned vehicles. The selection of Gölcük as the venue for TEKNOFEST Blue Homeland 2026 was deliberate. The area shares a deep connection with the Turkish Navy's industrial and operational strength. By hosting the festival at the Naval Shipyard, visitors have the opportunity to see firsthand the various platforms that constitute Turkey's maritime power. According to the organizers, TEKNOFEST Mavi Vatan 2026 takes place from August 20th to 23rd, 2026, at the Gölcük Naval Shipyard Command. The event focuses primarily on marine and underwater technologies, bringing together the general public, school and university students, engineers, defense companies, and state institutions in a single major event. This festival also serves as a continuation of TEKNOFEST Blue Homeland, which was first held in Istanbul in 2025.